it's Mia, and I'm going to be cooking some lamb chops sous vide. Sous vide is the type of cooking style. I believe it's French, but I need to do my research before I tell you guys. And this is my little Joule. This is my sous vide utensil. And please, my mom is watching her Filipino channel. This is TFC. I think it's Showtime or something. I'm not sure. I'm not very sure. But that's what's happening. And I'm just going to sit you guys down. And I've already put my lamb in a bag. I've already seasoned it with salt and pepper. So I found my phone and I'm on the Joule app. And I'm already cooking it to medium rare. If you guys can see that. Medium rare. It's 131 degrees Fahrenheit. And yes, I'm in my pajamas. Hey, do you like it? And I already have my sous vide connected to some electricity. And yes, my hair's up. Trying to be a little bit more, how you say, cautious of my food, because I don't want hair in my food. Would you want hair in your food? I don't want hair in my food. I also did wash my hands before handling this meat and putting it in a bag. And I did wash my hands before I filled this pot with water. All I have to do is touch my phone, and set the time. And is it frozen? It's fresh because these are not frozen. They do not look frozen. I have the leftovers right here. Do they look frozen? I think not. Okay, I'm a little weird today. I think I drank too much cough syrup. Again, my voice is like very bad. And my mom's DFC is in the back. And yes, our pantry is always open, so that's why it's open. Sorry if it bothers anyone. But yeah, and then are we making lamb chops? Heck yeah, we are. We are making lamb chops. So it's gonna cook in an hour. So I gotta tell my mom it's gonna be in an hour. So she gotta wait. She's actually kind of hungry now. So start Joule. Whoa, and it's kind of look like it's urinating itself, but that's how it heats up the water. And so yeah, this is Joule. I love this. This is my second day of using it, and I'm making my favorite thing in the world, lamb chops. I love lamb. It's the perfect cut of meat. It's the perfect type of meat. And if you guys are vegan or vegetarian, I'm sorry. I like my meat. Oh, I also love my sous vide. So I'm gonna wait for that to heat up. I will show you guys when the temperature rises to 131. So what I use to season my lamb chops is just my Japanese Ajinomoto. Nope, Ajisho. It's not Ajinomoto, it's Ajisho. And just like peppercorns, we have this little machine that grates them or shreds them. Grinds them. It grinds them. My dad did make this concoction. It's a secret concoction of his own balsamic vinegar like sauce. It's very good. So I think I'm just gonna use this because my dad made it, and my dad is an amazing chef, and that's how I learned how to cook, and that's exactly why I love to cook. It's 109 right now. So 122. Oh my god, it rises so fast. So while we're waiting for the water to heat up, I'm going to teach you guys how to wash hands like nurses, because flu season is now and everyone's getting sick. I'm getting sick. And I need everyone in my population to know how to wash their hands. But I just wanted to demonstrate how to wash your hands because the flu season has literally erupted. I've been sick for possibly 2 weeks now. And I just wanted to help out my community. So, you're welcome. Alrighty, so my lamb is now submerged into water. And I will let Julie start once I get my phone on. Alright, start timer. Why is it not working? Start timer. Alright, it's working now. It's gonna take about an hour.